This is a short video to show how to massage over a total hip replacement scar after this type of operation. The location of a scar will typically depend on the approach, but commonly it's behind the bumpy point or the greater trochanter at the side. Sometimes the scar tissue can aggravate movements when you're clenching your buttock or taking your leg out to the side, so it's good to soften the scar tissue with massage. Typically, you'd want to have a blob of moisturising cream over your fingers, and then obviously pulling up your clothes, just spread it evenly over the area of the scar and just go up and down the scar in circles. As stated earlier, you should wait until the scar tissue is fully dried and fully healed really before commencing massage, and commonly this can be a week to 2 weeks after your operation. Time period spent on massaging the scar, you'd really typically want to do it for at least 10 to 20 minutes per day, and you can continue doing this for a period of about 1 to 2 weeks after you start, and that should soften the scar enough to make movement easier.